kind of like Survivor. It's called tuition mission. They give tuition to the student that wins it. It's like a 5-day competition. They live in a bus. It is early for this guy right here because I usually go to bed about this time. But yeah, 7 a.m. is when they start this competition. It rained this morning. That can't be good. Last year did that. And the carpet in the bus was like soap. And it smelled like a dirty sock. So yeah, they sleep on this little thing and they smell together and they have to try to get along, and they're divided up into 3 groups. So yeah, it's gonna be fun. I can't wait.
Move your arms like this, you can. Just make sure your fingers do not touch the pencil. If a camera...
So anyway, this is Matt McKay. He's the best DJ in the world. Anyway, so I told you earlier we're doing this thing called tuition mission. It's kind of like Survivor. Matt's going to explain a little bit more.
So for the past, this is the 11th season that we've done this, and basically we have a big school bus that's parked out here. It's actually like a party bus, and we got a bunch of contestants. I think we have 20 this year. They're all either students at UNL or about to be students at UNL, and they're going to spend 5 days on this bus. And just like the show Survivor, there's going to be times you're getting voted off. Some people just leave because they can't handle it. You get prizes and like pillows and blankets,
Comforts.
for things that you'd play a game for that. So it's anything from using your brain to using your muscles to using your memory to being able to, and like being able to sit on a bus for that many hours. So
I remember last year they had that rain the day before they all got in the bus. It was stanky.
It's stanky. It got really wet.
Like
so
sock.
We'll see who can outsmart the entire thing. And then come Saturday, we'll be down to 3, and then we'll be down to 1, and that person wins tuition and books to UNL.
Listen, if you're in like the Lincoln area, you get a little 100-mile radius maybe even. Check out 106.3 KFRX. If you're on TuneIn, check it out there. Thanks, guys.
And we've got the app. You can go to your app store and just put in KFRX.
Check out Matt McKay too. He's the best.
He's the best. This guy is.
What? Okay, so this is my friend Lindsay. She is the other best DJ on this planet for KFRX.
Thanks a lot. Sounds like a sloppy second title.
What happened to you about, what, 2 years ago almost?
3.
3 what?
Over 3 years ago, I got married to a wonderful man named Jeff, and he was my wedding photographer.
What do you call Jeff? What's his name?
Triple J.
Triple J.
Matt nicknamed
is
him
it Gerald?
Triple J.
Gerald or what's his name?
It's Jeffrey Gerald.
Gerald. Jeffrey Gerald.
You totally got it. You totally got it right.
Yeah, he's awesome. Anyhow, you want to check out, like I said, check out KFRX on TuneIn app, or you can check out 106.3.
Yo, don't even say TuneIn because we have our own app. KFRX has the very own app. You just search for KFRX in the App Store. It's that easy. You tap that app and it's free. And actually, right now you can win WWE SmackDown tickets there.
What?
Might as well.
Hey, so if you don't mind, I'm gonna post a couple of your photos, like right here and right here and right here, right here. Check them out. Matt and Lindsay, they are some of the coolest people I've ever met, no doubt about it. the Matt McKay morning shows, which happens from 6 a.m. to, I believe, 9. I love them. Like, I will sit there. I'll tune into the radio stations just to listen to those guys. Like Lindsay will carry on. She'll do like a 90s show. It's called 90s at Noon. And then they actually have some really cool shows called 90s at Night. So like on Saturdays, I think once a month, Saturdays they'll have a band, a cover band that does like 90 songs, and it's really cool. I've been to it at least one time, and they really are a good time. Matt will even jump up. I remember one time he jumped up and did Sublime's Lovin'. Yeah, that was awesome. He's good. He's very entertaining.
Whatever you want. Until then, tweet me your request at 1063 KFRX on Twitter. Kicking it off with Green Day from 1995, When I Come Around on the 90s at Noon.
I like this song. It's got to get some skateboard time in with Lena, even though she's on this weird thing called a rock board. Levi has Taekwondo tonight. That's what's going on next. It's not really Taekwondo, it's more belt ceremony. He's gonna get a belt tonight. He's gonna be able to kick some butt here pretty soon. Watch out.
Yeah, D1, through level 1.
Those are in a green belt level 1 art program. We have Levi Elwood and Connor Peterson. Earning a brown belt level 2.
There's an example. It's a really big deal. We're very, very proud of each and every one of them. Let's give them a big hand.
It's like pretty dang cool, like every direction you look. We're on the way home from Levi's Taekwondo belt ceremony. He got green today. He can start sparring. Anyhow, yeah, we're on the way home, and yeah, these clouds, ridiculous. Welcome to Nebraska. School starts tomorrow!